Hello, welcome to Autocritic USA. The Lexus LFA, a true marvel of automotive engineering, gets a futuristic makeover in this highly modified rendition that blends luxury, speed, and cutting-edge aesthetics. In this custom concept, the LFA retains its signature supercar DNA but with amplified aggression and style, showcased in a modern, well-lit studio environment that highlights every fine detail of its design. This red Lexus LFA sports a bold, wide body kit that enhances its muscular stance. The aerodynamic enhancements, including a carbon fiber front splitter, aggressive side skirts, and a massive rear diffuser, all work together to improve performance and downforce. The sharp LED headlights and sleek DRLs give the front fascia a piercing look, while the low-slung, sculpted hood contributes to the car's razor-sharp appearance. A custom front bumper with integrated LED light bars not only adds to the futuristic feel but also boosts visibility during high-speed nighttime drives. The LFA rides on custom alloy wheels featuring a sporty, multi-spoke design, wrapped in high-performance, deep-tread tires that promise excellent grip and control. Its lowered stance and performance suspension system suggest that this vehicle is engineered for the track as much as for street presence. The rear end is just as impressive, with futuristic taillights, a centrally mounted exhaust, and a carbon rear wing that signals its high-speed capabilities. The red paint finish is rich and glossy, complemented by subtle black accents across the side mirrors, window trim, and rear spoiler. The contrast gives the vehicle a refined yet aggressive personality. The windows are darkly tinted, offering privacy and enhancing its stealthy profile. Inside, though not shown, one can imagine the interior to be just as luxurious and performance-oriented, likely featuring carbon fiber accents, leather sports seats, a digital cockpit, and Lexus signature high-end materials. This modified LFA isn't just a showpiece, it's a celebration of what happens when performance meets futuristic design. Overall, this Lexus LFA concept is not only a head-turner but also a symbol of innovation and bold styling in the automotive world. If you're a fan of high-performance machines with a futuristic twist, this creation is sure to capture your imagination. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Autocritic USA for more unique car reviews, custom builds, and futuristic vehicle showcases.